Today I want to talk to you about using Japan's stock index to trade the dollar yen. Um, Japan's Nikkei, which is here in blue, it's actually red and blue candles, red for the down candles, blue for the up candles. The Nikkei stock index prospers when the yen goes down because it's full of a lot of exporter stocks. So Toyota, Sony, Panasonic, Mazda, etc. Are exporters and they want their goods to appear cheap. And so when the yen goes lower, other countries have greater purchasing power in buying their exported goods. And so the Nikkei goes up when the yen goes down, and that makes it to where dollar yen goes up as the Nikkei goes up, and dollar yen tends to go down as the Nikkei goes down, with the yen and the Nikkei heading in opposing directions. You have dollar yen and the Nikkei heading in the same directions. Dollar yen is in the black straight line here, Nikkei in the blue and red candles. And so this year has been a wild ride for the Nikkei. It's been one of the greatest gainers and one of the greatest losers all in the same year. I mean, it's just within a handful of months, man, it's been crazy on the upside and the downside. And so has dollar yen, upside and downside. When the Bank of Japan intervened and halted the ascent of the yen, which halted the decline of dollar yen, Nikkei stocks rallied and so did dollar yen. As that has settled down and they've backed off of some of that, their stocks have come back down and so has dollar yen. Now, with this huge breakout going to highs that haven't been seen in a good while because it busted through all this resistance and went very high, and now is coming back close to the former yearly lows. Of course, obviously the yearly low being down here, but in that vicinity, basically, of the that would put the support for the Nikkei at around about roughly in the ballpark of 83.50, and here we sit at about 85.30 ish as I'm recording this. So not far from a zone of support on the Nikkei. And so if that's the case, then dollar yen is likely not far from a zone of support on it as well. And so as we see the Nikkei base at some point here pretty soon and head higher and break a corrective downward cycle, just realize that is a huge key to give you a tip-off into when to buy the dollar yen as they both go back and head in the same direction again. So watch Japanese stocks, watch the Nikkei index in particular. When it bottoms, trades sideways and starts to head higher, I believe we'll see the same thing happen for dollar yen. And so it's a great way for stock traders to have a clue as to what the currency market will do when it comes to the dollar yen pair. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to find out more about what I do, just click on the link below this video and we'll get you more information. Thank you. Bye-bye.